There have been a few leaks about the S23 Ultra, but this time we receive some exclusive leaks about the S23 Ultra, as well as the S23 and S23 Plus. And here is how your new S23 series will seem and what its signature color will be. The true release date of the Galaxy S, the 23rd of May, have been announced. According to Ice Universe, Samsung has scheduled the Galaxy Unpacked 2023 launch event for the Galaxy S23 on February 1, 2023. This seems to be the launch date for the United States, meaning the launch date for the rest of the globe will most likely be February 2, 2023. It is also said that the Galaxy S23 series will go on sale in key areas 2 weeks after the formal announcement, and that additional markets will be able to get their hands on the phones before the end of March 2023. According to the reputable Galaxy Club, Samsung will equip the S23 Ultra with a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The S22 Ultra sports a selfie camera with a resolution of 40 megapixels. Many websites are calling this a degradation, but I don't believe so. I mean, beyond a certain amount, megapixels are meaningless unless pixel binning is used. They aren't, however, for the S23 Ultra's selfie camera. So switching back to 12 megapixels would be pointless since there would be no discernible change in quality. In reality, this is a positive thing since all S23 devices will utilize the 12 megapixels front camera, making it simpler for Samsung to tune the front camera and produce better results rather than doing it individually for the Ultra and the other S23 units. Moving on to the display, we have a significant upgrade because the E6 OLED LTPO 3.0 technology is implemented in the S23 Ultra, which significantly improves the device's brightness up to a peak level of 2200 nits, which is significantly higher than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is currently the champion in the brightest display ever produced in a mobile device. So the S23 Ultra will undoubtedly outperform the iPhone 14 Pro Max in that regard. Another significant aspect of this display is the 45% battery savings over the S22 Ultra. So, the E6 OLED screen will have reduced power consumption, which will increase battery life. The device's front will also be covered with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which will be somewhat more sturdy and scratch-resistant than the S22 Ultra. So, in terms of durability and scratch resistance, this will undoubtedly be a modest gain. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.